Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Alan Gadgets. Today we'll be going through the steps to guide you on how to register your drone with the Hong Kong Aviation Authority. Before diving into the steps, there are 4 points that you need to take note of this registration. Point number 1, the good news is that it's for free for every drone registration up to 6 months with free renewal. Number 2, you will need to stick the hologram stickers onto the drone after your registration. Information on how to receive the hologram sticker will be at the end of the video after all the steps has been explained. Number 3, every registration could take up to 5 working days to process. And number 4, you need to register as a remote pilot personally and for every single drone. The registration of the remote pilot and for each and every drone has a valid period of 6 months. And you'll receive a reminder email 2 months before the expiry to ask if you want to continue to renew them. Again, renewal is free. So if you have 5 drones registered with them, plus your remote pilot registration, you have 6 registration to renew every 6 months. So coming up next is the guide to how to register your drone with them step by step. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown and it's helping you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more drones, camera and gadget content just like this, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. I also post extra clips, behind the scenes shots and some extra updates on Instagram, so do make sure you follow me there as well. Alright, let's jump right back in. You will only be able to receive the hologram sticker at Hong Kong. They will not be able to send it overseas to you. 2 of the options that you can choose to pick up the sticker is 1, to pick up at the airport where the office is situated, or number 2, you can have them delivered to where you're going to be staying in Hong Kong. Do take note that if you choose to pick it up at the airport, they will only be holding on to the sticker for you for 2 weeks. It will usually take 3 working days to prepare the stickers, which they will send you a notification email to tell you that your stickers are available for collection at the airport. And from the date of that email, you will be given a 2 weeks window to pick it up. So plan it in such a way that upon arriving at the airport, touchdown, you have the sticker ready for you. But for whatever hiccup or situation you might get yourself into, do contact them via the helpline They are very responsive in their support and helping you resolve your issue. And I have to say their service is top notch even for something that's free. They actually call me up on my personal phone to arrange with me and to understand my situation better. And if you do choose delivery, it will take 1 to 3 days to arrive at your address. Along with the stickers in the envelope, you'll also find other documents like instructions on how to stick them onto your drones and the hard copy of the registration. So that's it. That's all you need to know on drone registration with the Hong Kong Aviation Authority. If you do find that this video is interesting or beneficial to you in any way, do click on the like button and share. Again, if you like all things drone, cameras and gadgets, do click on the subscribe button and ring the bell for future notification, and I'll see you again in next one. Bye!